Hello friends, welcome back. Today I will show you how to make this cute puffy flower that you can use to decorate other projects that you could have. Here I made other projects that you can decorate. So look, I made a little pen, how do you say, decoration, and it's just a very quick and easy project that you can make to add to their other projects that you have. So let me show you how to make this. I use this yarn, and I'll show you exactly which one I use. This is exactly the one that I got, so it's very easy to work with. So I also used a 3.5 millimeter hook, and I need a scissor, and then if you want to add any embellishment, you're gonna need just a regular needle. Okay, so let me start by showing you how to make this. Alright, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna make a magic ring, and then you're gonna get your yarn and do a slip stitch just like that, and we are going to do a single crochet around the magic ring. We're gonna do 10 of them. So 10. Do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, and then we're gonna pull that string from our magic loop. We're going to grab the initial stitch, and we are going to slip stitch it just like that, and let's make it a little bit tighter. Just pull that string, and here's how you look. Okay, so after that I'll show you. This is where the little puffy petals are gonna happen. Okay, so I'm going to make chain 3. Okay, and I will do a half double crochet. Let me show you. So you grab your yarn, and you are going to insert your needle in the first chain and pull it all the way up, just the height of that chain 3 that you made. Okay, so we're gonna pull it all the way, grab your yarn, and pull over those 2. You see that? And just keep it there. Don't go all the way. You're gonna have like 2 string here, 2 loops in your needle. Leave it there, and we're gonna do another, pretend that we're gonna do a double crochet, and insert in the same stitch. Insert and pull it over again, put it all the way up until the same length of that chain 3. Again, we're gonna grab the yarn and pull through 2 only, and now we have 3 loops in our needle. Okay, and we're gonna do one more in that same stitch. Okay, up, and again we're gonna pull through 2. Okay, so we have 3 in that one stitch. Can you see it? Okay, now what we're gonna do is the same thing, but we're gonna stick it in the next chain here. I'll show you. Stick it in here, pull all the way up at the same length. Again, grab your yarn and pull through 2 only. Now we have 5. Do it again another in the same last stitch that we did, pull through 2, keep it there, another one, insert in that same, pull up all the way, and one more, and just make sure that you keep hold tight this the magic loop that we did in here. Just keep hold it tight, and you're gonna pull it a little bit tight, and make sure that these loops in your needle are very kind of loose, because now what we're gonna do is, once you have 7, 2, 4, 6, 7, we are gonna grab our yarn and we're gonna pull it through all the way, and we're just gonna have one loop in our needle now. You see that? Okay, and now we're gonna do a slip stitch. All right, and here we're gonna do chain 3. All right, and in the same stitch where we have this 3, if you want to call it big long double crochet, we're going to insert our hook here and slip stitch that one. That is our first petal. You see that? That will be this. All right, now let's work on our second petal. We're gonna chain 3, and we're gonna repeat what we did. Chain 3, and we're gonna pretend that we're gonna do a double crochet, and we're gonna insert in this chain all the way up to the length of our chain 3. Okay, and only go through 2, leave 2 in your hook. We're gonna do it again, same, up, pull through 2, again, all the way up, pull through 2, and now we have 3 in here, and now we're gonna work on the next chain. All the way up, pull through 2, leave it there, another one, there's the second one, pull through 2, leave it there, another one, pull all the way up, pull through 2, and now we have 7, and now it's time to go all the way in, and whoop, all the way there. We have only 1 and slip stitch. We're gonna chain 3, and in the same stitch we're gonna slip stitch it here. Now we have our second petal. Okay, so I'm gonna make this so that you can see, and you can pause it and you can slow it, or okay, we're gonna do the same thing again, all the way up. I'm gonna have 5 petals in this case. 2 and 3 in one stitch, and again in the second stitch, 1, 2, 3. We have 7, pull all the way, and 1, 2, 3, slip stitch here, 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna work on our 4th petal. Pretend a double crochet all the way up, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2, the next one, all the way up, pull through 2, next one, pull through 2, and one more, pull through 2, and whoop, and single, not single, slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch on the same. And we're gonna work on our last petal. 1, 2, 3. Pretend double crochet. Pull all the way up. Pull through 2. Oops, almost did. Pull all the way up. Pull through 2. That might, okay. Another one. All the way up. Pull through 2. And in the next one, way up, over 2, all the way up, over 2, last 2, now we have 7, and all the way, slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to insert and the same, and now you cut your yarn. Pull this magic ring also, and we're gonna grab our stitch from here and put it in the back, and there you have it. Look, it's a super easy and quick project and such a beautiful, cute little addition for any other project. See how pretty that is. And now you can decorate, you can add a button in the middle, or you can add beads, and you can be kind of silly and add another crochet in the middle and make it look like a little, here, this one is a finger puppet here. Woohoo, hello. Hope you can make this, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments what you think. And if you want to subscribe, it just motivates me to continue to make more videos like this. Okay, well, hope you have a beautiful day, and God bless you. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Bye.